Hey guys, in this video we will see how we can download Python and pip package manager for Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. First of all, we need to do is open terminal. So there is a shortcut for opening terminal in Ubuntu OS. So we need to press Ctrl Alt and T, so it will open terminal for us. Let me maximize this. Now here for installing Python we have to give a command. So the command is like sudo space apt space install space python 3 and hit enter. So it will check whether python 3 is installed on your operating system or not. If it is installed, so it will tell you that python is already installed in your os, or otherwise it will start to download. So here in my case python 3 is already installed, so there's no need for downloading it. Now for opening python 3 shell, we have to just type python 3 in terminal and hit enter. So it will give the information of python installed on your os and open the shell for python 3. So here let me give you an example. So I will print something. I will print hello. Sorry, I'm sorry, hello, and I'll complete this and hit enter. So it is giving the output hello. And now for exiting from the shell we have to just press type exit and open close braces and hit enter. So it will exit from python 3 shell. Now let me first clear my terminal. So I will just type clear and it hit enter, so it will clear all the thing on my terminal. Now we will install pip package manager for ubuntu. So there's a 2 3 command for installing pip package manager. The first one is sudo space apt space update, hit enter and let this complete. So here we can see the command is completed. Now the other one is sudo apt install python 3 hyphen pip and hit enter. So it will ask you for permission whether you want to continue or not. So I will just type here y and hit enter. So it will start to download pip package manager. So here the process is completed for downloading pip package manager for Ubuntu operating system. Now we will check whether pip is installed or not. So for that I will just check whether on the version of pip installed. So I will just type pip 3 space hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. So it will show the version of pip installed on our operating system. Now we will install a package from pip. So for that we have to give a command pip 3 space install space. So I will install opencv space opencv, the package name, and hyphen python. So and hit enter. So it will download the opencv package for us. You can see the download is started. So here we can see OpenCV is successfully installed on our operating system. So we will check this. For that I will open Python 3 shell. So I will just click Python 3 and hit enter. So it will open Python 3 shell for us. And now here I will import the package, downloaded package. So I will import cv2 and hit enter. So as you can see, it is working. We don't get an error here, so it is working. So this is it. So this is the way that we can install pip package manager and Python for Ubuntu operating system. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.